Look at Big up yourself, Alex.
Okay.
Big up.
Okay.
Tell me what you like about Jamaica.
Me like it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, a big welcome. Well, today I have with me none other than my friend Alex, all the way from Jamaica. And can you believe him chat Patwa? Listen to it, Alex after saying, you know what? Anytime I meet a Jamaican, a Chinese and chat Patwa, trust me, it warms my heart. All the way in China, you know, a Chinese, a chat Patwa. Listen to Alex. Alex, what you have to say?
Wagwan, you can come to my shop now.
Well done, Alex.
You get wholesale price. Cheap. I get some free.
Talk to the camera. Talk to the camera.
Okay.
So Alex, I'm at wholesale downtown, 108 Princess Street. Wait, name. Wait,
128 wholesale.
128 wholesale at 108 Princess Street.
Yeah.
So go down there for your watch.
Yeah.
Cologne.
Yeah.
Whatever you want. Him said down there cheap. So go down there, go support him. And we are send love all the way from China to where?
Okay.
Jamaica. So Alex, Wagwan, come to Patwa.
Yeah, come into my shop now. Everything you get good price. And that's cheap price.
So tell me you like about Jamaica.
Me like Jamaica.
You
Wagwan, Jamaica.
like to say Wagwan.
Wagwan.
How about the food? You like the food?
Yeah.
You like
and dumpling and
Aki and starfish?
yeah, starfish, aki and starfish and yum.
Yum.
Yeah.
Rice and peas.
Yeah, rice
You
and
like
peas.
all them
Yeah,
there?
man.
Alright guys, thank you for tuning in and thank you Alex. So remember, go downtown 108 Princess Street at 180 wholesale. Go support my friend, my link him, my bad charging.
Come.
Alex.
Yeah.
All the way in China. So
Come.
peace and love.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yes, bye. Yeah.
Pick up yourself, Alex.
Yeah.
Peace. Ready.
Yeah.
Alright, Alex, thank you for coming. Big up
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah.
Big
Yeah.
up
Big boy.
yourself. Look at Big up yourself, Alex.
Okay.
Big up.
Okay.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more